Embark on a journey of emotional alchemy with EFT, where your fingertips awaken healing. By tapping on energy meridians, you communicate directly with your body's stress centers, whispering messages of release and balance. EFT is your personal toolkit for emotional health, allowing you to transform negative emotions and channel them into a river of calm. As we explore this ancient modern technique, remember, it's a form of self-love. Healing begins with tapping into the wellspring of your inner strength, reclaiming peace one tap at a time. In this part, we lay the foundations of healing by creating a sanctuary. Your environment mirrors your inner state. Decluttering space declutters the mind. Infuse your surroundings with elements that soothe the senses. Soft lights, comforting textures, and perhaps a hint of nature. As you ground yourself in this serene oasis, your intention becomes clear, setting the stage for a profound EFT session. Let's breathe life into your healing space, making it a vessel for transformation and clarity. EFT, a dance of mind and body, harmonizes your inner rhythms. Its simple tap gently on specific meridian points while whispering truths of self-acceptance. With each tap, you send echoes through your energy pathways, clearing the echoes of old stories that no longer serve you. Each affirmation is a conscious choice, a vow to heal and welcome new, empowering narratives. This ritual, ancient yet timely, is your daily rebellion against the noise of the past, a steadfast march towards emotional liberation. Strategically weave EFT into the fabric of your daily life. It's not merely a reactive measure for moments of distress, but a proactive stance for wellness. Whether in the quiet of dawn or the rush of midday, EFT stands as your ally, transforming brief interludes into havens of serenity. It's your secret weapon, turning daily challenges into opportunities for growth and stress into moments of insight. Let this practice be your constant, a testament to your commitment to resilient living. Intentions are the seeds of our reality. In the garden of your mind, what you plant with EFT grows into the trees under which your future self will find shade. Envision this practice as a journey across a map, charted by your deepest desires for healing and growth. With each tap, you affirm your direction and commitment to this path, marking each milestone with the joy of small victories and the wisdom of lessons learned. Personal transcendence is not a distant myth, but a tangible quest, and EFT is your compass. It guides you through the labyrinth of the subconscious to confront and release the minotaur of your fears. This practice is a bridge to higher consciousness, a disciplined pursuit of your ultimate potential. As you tap, envision yourself shedding layers of old identities, ascending a spiral staircase of light, each step an elevation towards the summit of your being.